Yo, what is up, guys? It is That's Just Trading Channel, and I'm Angel, and welcome back to another daily video, guys. I'm sorry that I didn't post in the last few days. I just wanted to give everyone some space, some time to spend time with their families for Christmas. Hope y'all enjoyed the break, because now we're back on the grind, guys, and this is the first video out of 3 that we're doing for the stocks I'm watching for this next oncoming week of 2020-2021, right? Hope y'all enjoy the video, and stay tuned for more. Guys, welcome back to part 1 of the video series that we're doing out of 3 for the stocks that I'm watching for this coming week, the 2020 to 2021 week, right? I would call it. Currently kind of sad, guys, because I've already recorded these videos about 4 times, and there's always something wrong with them. So if you can do me a favor and just like the video for me, please, and subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. You'd help me out a lot. But without further ado, guys, let's hop into ZM, which is going to be the first stock we're going to talk about, right? So I kind of have my lines drawn already here from the previous videos, but as you can see here, you can go to your 4 hour, right, and you can draw your downtrend line from this 588 area, October 19th, right? We're at this 588 area, and ever since this high, ZM's kind of been on a downtrend, kind of rejecting, kind of showing that the stock is very bearish. But I mean, not only that, but we can see here that we had these supports, that we kind of bounced off of, and then here, after we bounced here, we kind of had this 1-2, and then this 1-2, like here it is again, 1-2. Maybe 1-2 here, and then kind of this big kind of uptrend line here. But I'm kind of looking at the bigger picture, guys. I'm not looking at these, I wouldn't say small scalps because they're pretty large scalps, but I'm kind of looking at the bigger picture here in the 4 hour. And you might be asking, like, well, what's your game plan, and what do you see? And first of all, I see that these areas of support are holding from this 465 area to this 475 area. So about a $10 area of support here. And that's really like what I like a lot, because as you can see here, as we're getting closer to the end of this candle, right, we're kind of going like this, and we're kind of, we want to squeeze, ZM wants to squeeze, and it could squeeze up or it could crack down, and it's like this game that I was saying on the previous videos, right? It's like this game, right? I don't know if y'all have ever seen it, but there's like a ball, and there's this pad, right? And you kind of move the pad to hit these bricks, right? And you have to keep hitting the bricks to get through and, like, I guess, beat the level. But that's kind of like what I see here, and that's kind of, in my opinion, what I want to happen. I wanted to keep bouncing here, and I wanted to keep rejecting this trend line. Maybe tomorrow as it opens up, maybe want to see it reject this 415 area around here, bounce from this 375 and reject this 415. And I'm not saying you can't play that, because, I mean, it's totally possible that this downtrend line can break tomorrow also. You never know, But in my opinion, I mean, maybe, in my opinion, should I say, I want to see it reject it and then come back down and test these supports, or maybe even a higher support, and kind of just keep rejecting it until ZM finally breaks out of this big downtrend or cracks these supports that it's been holding up. So, I mean, tomorrow, what am I going to do? Well, I mean, I might watch here to see if it bounces off this 375 area, maybe grab a call here just to scalp it, maybe this $10 that it moves up from the 380 to 390 area, and if it breaks this downtrend line, I mean, you have the opportunity to scalp from 390 to 415 area where the big downtrend line is. And so there's a lots of possibilities for scalping, guys, but I'm kind of looking at the bigger picture here. And so, like I said, guys, I mean, if we can squeeze maybe Monday, Tuesday, kind of consolidate between the downtrend line and the supports, I mean, that's golden for me. I would really look forward to that, because then we can have not only more volume come in, because a lot of traders see that, but we can squeeze even harder, because of all the volume coming in. And I mean, just another sign here, you can see on the 4 hour we're very oversold, and the 1 hour we're oversold. And I kind of see lots of more potential coming up for ZM. Not only because of video conferencing and stuff that everyone uses it for school, but school's gonna start back open again. After 2021, school's gonna start to open again, and we're gonna have to start using ZM more than likely, especially if we lean towards more Biden, guys. Biden wants to have another lockdown, so we might see video conferencing go boom. Guys, so that kind of wraps it up for today's first video. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel for part 2, which should be up after this. And like I said, guys, just mainly watching ZM because not only for right now, but for future reference, school's going to start again after January. And that means what? If Biden becomes president and he has another lockdown, then video conferencing is going to go boom. And ZM has been, well, basically what all the schools have been using. I know at my school, that's all we use, Zoom for our video conferencing and our teacher conferences and stuff. So yeah, guys, other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see y'all making some money on ZM. If you do, make sure you tag me on StockTwits, or on Twitter you can tag me at That's Just Trading. And make sure to check out part 2 on the video on the channel, guys. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Later.